Welcome to Lucena City in Quezon, and welcome to Ansha on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoy curating it. The area that is now Lucena City was home to indigenous peoples with their own distinct language, culture, and traditions. The Tagalogs are the predominant ethnic group in Quezon Province. Pre-colonial communities in the Lucena area were engaged in agriculture, cultivating crops such as rice, root crops, and vegetables. Trade networks existed with neighboring communities for the exchange of goods. Pre-colonial societies in this region had well-defined social structures. Communities were organized into extended families or clans, and leadership roles were often held by respected elders or individuals with notable skills or achievements. Animistic beliefs and the worship of ancestral spirits were integral to the spiritual practices of pre-colonial societies. Rituals and ceremonies have been conducted to seek protection, blessings for crops, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions in pre-colonial Lucena relied heavily on oral traditions. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. Proximity to the coast or major rivers facilitated trade and cultural changes between communities. Items such as pottery, textiles, and metal tools have been traded among different groups. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century brought significant changes to the region, influencing its culture, governance, and religious practices. In the 1570s, Captain Juan de Salcedo embarked on the initial exploration of what later became the province of Tayabas. Subsequently, between 1580 and 1583, the Franciscan priest Juan de Plasencia and Diego de Opresa founded the town of Tayabas, with Lucena being just one of its barrios. During the 16th century, the Spanish referred to the region as Buenavista due to its picturesque landscapes. Later, the barrio was renamed Oroqueta. However, the onslaught of Muslim pirate attacks led the locals to construct forts along the seashores, particularly in the present-day Cota and Barangay Mayao. Consequently, the area earned the name Cota, derived from the Spanish term for fort, or Kuta in Tagalog. The growth of the maritime trade and the successful defense against pirate raids contributed to the Lucena's development as a town, eventually becoming the capital of Tayabas, Quezon Province in 1901. On November 5, 1879, the Orden Superior Civil officially adopted the name Lucena in honor of Spanish friar Father Mariano Granja from Andalusia, Spain, who played a pivotal role in the development of the barrio, eventually becoming a parish in 1881. Lucena gained municipal independence on June 1, 1882. During the 1896 Philippine Revolution, Lucena residents displayed their patriotism with leaders like Jose Zaballero and Miguel Arguelles actively participating. After the proclamation of independence in 1898, General Miguel Malvar took control of Tayabas province, and Lucena's first elected municipal president was Don Crisanto Marquez during the First Philippine Republic. Lucena then became the provincial capital on March 12, 1901, following the Filipino-American War. Occupied by the Japanese Imperial Force during World War II, Lucena witnessed resilient resistance from the Hunters Reserve Officers Training Corps or ROTC guerrillas, leading to the successful expulsion of the Japanese even before the arrival of American Liberation Forces. On June 17, 1961, Lucena was declared a chartered city, officially inaugurated on August 19, 1962. Further, on July 1, 1991, Lucena attained highly urbanized city status, gaining independence from the province.